Hi, I'm John Story here, going to tell you how to do driveline angles and how to calculate and figure out what's too much and what's not enough. I'm going to go ahead and start with here. We're underneath this Dodge dually. I got a set of U-joints, a center support bearing, another set of U-joints, and finally the last set of U-joints. And in this case, we're going to use an angle finder. Something simple, something easy, and it's magnetized. You theoretically want your drive shaft to where you're going to be measuring is going to be straight up and down. In this case, we don't have the rear end of this truck off the ground to do that. So for video purposes, I'm going to explain like this. What we need to do is make sure that we have this set. Make sure it's right now. I got about saying about 7 degrees. What I would do is keep it on the same track. You see I measured from the bottom of this, and then you're going to want to start after that, rotate this side around to where it's down here. Take your measurement from there, and you want to keep in line since it's here. You're going to follow it all the way down to this one. So this side should be actually facing this way. But when you do, you get your two measurements. You see if they're both going up, then you subtract the two. If they're one's up, one's down, you add the two together to get your working angle. It's very important that your working angle isn't more, or one side isn't more than 3 degrees, and as minimum of a ½ degree. That's the minimum maximum that you want. You can use different angles to make it work, but you want longevity, you want to go with that, especially being on a big rig. Here you see we have the way it mounts, and this is very important because it takes it from the motor, goes through the transmission, and this is what connects it to the rear end to actually put all the power and torque to the ground. If this is weak, you have nothing. So from here you would want to take those clips out. If you see those clips right there, you want to take those clips out. If you're using a digital protractor, you can put a socket or something else that fits inside there up in there, and then be able to take your actual measurement and make sure you follow the corresponding side. That side is the same in line with this side. Phasing as well, you want to make sure that this side of the yoke is also going to be about the same degrees as this side. That way you don't have any premature wear, that you don't have any vibrations can cause from that, and you just wear out your U-joints, and they get pretty expensive after a while. So from here, you'll make sure everything's in line. You do a double check. It's very good if you have a customer complaint with vibration that you don't spend too much money and buy the stuff that doesn't need to be fixed, and you fix the correct issue the first time. So from here, you just take your measurements, you do all your adding, you do your subtracting if needed, and you find out what your working angle is and what your angles are, and see if they were within spec or if you'll be alright. Thank you for watching.